Hello everyone. Since I cannot see your channel, even though you are subscribed to me, and you can see I have 17 subscribers, I have no choice but shout out to all of you who subscribe to me. So yeah, and you've been seeing my channel. I've been uploading even on uh, weekends, even on weekdays. It's because there is no school for 1 week, and there is there is no school again tomorrow. So I don't know if when there will be school again because of this bagyo. We cannot avoid, there's no school, so I'll keep uploading. So this the end of this video. Goodbye. I get it.